All right, guys, are you looking for a single story home in the southwest side of Las Vegas that's in a non-HOA community that also has solar included? Well, in this video, we are going to be touring this quick move-in home. The floor plan is the Adante by Signature Homes, so stick around. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abela with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So welcome to Grand Fair Pointe by Signature Homes. Now, this is a very exclusive single story community here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. There's only 10 lots in this community and half have been sold. But just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're here in the southwest. Across streets is going to be Jones Serene. So we're about 15 to 20 minutes away from the Las Vegas airport and the strip. Now, this community offers two different floor plans, which I will show you guys. So they offer the Adante and the Allegro. Okay, so the Allegro has an option to be a next gen suite. Now, they did sell most of, half their lots here. Okay, there are two lots remaining, lots 5 and 10, which you could build from lot up. And you have lots 2, 7, 9, which are all quick move-in homes. So that means all the options were selected. Now, the prices of these homes are going to range from about like mid 800s to they could go up high as low 900s. Okay. Really cool thing about this community, guys, there is no HOA association fees in this neighborhood, which is very rare because there's always HOAs in new construction homes, but here there is none. So I know a lot of buyers will really like that. Also, a really cool thing is solar is included. Okay, so I think that's really cool. Today we're going to be touring a couple of the quick move-in homes. So yeah, let's get to the tour. Hey everyone, welcome to the Adante floor plan. Now this is actually quick move-in. Okay, it's move-in ready to go, priced at $876,947. Okay, this is going to be a 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. So let's take a look. Okay. Nice here. Let's actually take a look at the side for here. Okay, so you got your side gate right over there. You see your AC units. Okay, looks like you got your electrical panel right there. Now you have this nice 8-foot door right here, modern. Okay, video doorbell is included as well. Again, like this is the actual move-in ready home. Okay, so right when you walk in, it feels very spacious. So you have like 10-foot ceilings. It's definitely very wide right here. This hallway is pretty wide. So just to give you an idea of this floor plan, you're gonna have your first bedroom right here that has its own full bath. This is gonna be the powder room. Okay, I believe that's like the linen closet, coat closet. You'll have your door to your garage right here, but it is locked. Okay, you have this flex space, office space. Could be a great room to work remote. To the right, you're gonna have your 2 bedrooms. You'll have your laundry room right here. Then you have your kitchen, your living room area, 2 kitchen islands, and then your primary bedroom is gonna be to the right. And we'll get to the backyard, so a very spacious backyard as well. Okay, so it looks like the flooring that they chose here, they got the brown vinyl plank, so definitely more of a warm vibe. You got the white, brown with the black fixtures. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. I mean, not primary bedroom, the guest bedroom. Right, pretty spacious here. I would say this is about like a 12 by 13. But if you're wondering if you want exact measurements, just reach out to me. I'll definitely get that for you. Okay. Pretty sure you could switch that out for the a ceiling fan that has a light as well. Okay. Yeah, these doors are pretty massive, 8-foot doors. Okay, so you got your standard closet. Right, and as you can see, you have two outlets over here. You got one right there, two right over here, which is also nice too. You have the 5-inch baseboards. Now this is going to be the so you have a full bath in this guest bedroom. Okay. Oh, and look at this mirror. Let me see here. Oh yeah, take a look at that. It's very cool. Okay, you got your medicine cabinet as well. So it looks like they put some upgrades. Definitely some upgrades here. Okay. Nice. Is this... Okay. No, I don't think it's soft close, but they're very nice cabinets. So you got your shower tub combo. Okay, got the black fixtures in here. All right. So yeah, coat closet. Now this is going to be the powder room. This is going to be the when you have guests that are over, this is going to be their guest bathroom that they will use. Just love the 10-foot ceilings. Definitely makes a huge difference. Alright. So right in here, again, this could be your office space. Okay, this could be your little, man, you could do a lot of things over here. You can make this a little like workout center. If you have kids, little playpen. Okay. Could be an office space as well. All right. So welcome to like the main living area. Here, this is what we'll do actually. We'll start out over here. So this is gonna be your laundry room. Okay. Washer and dryer is not included. You do have your smart panel box. Okay. So nice. This is the other guest bedroom. Again, I would say this is about like a 12 by 12, 12 by 13. Here, and this is the other one. Now this one has a walk-in closet. Okay. Now, if you're interested in a new construction home and you're thinking about going to a new build community for your very first time, do me a huge favor, guys. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd be honored to go with you on your very first visit, help you out with the process. But if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. One thing I'd recommend though is don't go by yourself. Just because if you go to the new build community for your very first time, and once they get your name, your address, your name, your email, and your phone number, they're gonna register you in their system. But once they do that, they won't let you have representation down the road in case you do want representation. The only issue with that is the builder agents look after the builder's best interest. As realtors, we look after your best interest. So that means, we negotiate for you, we hold the builders accountable. So definitely get yourself some representation. Yeah, so definitely has like nice materials here. Okay. Did I open this one up? Okay. Gotcha. So this is like your linen closet. Okay, so welcome to your kitchen, right? You do have the Got the double island. Okay, that'll come in handy if you have like parties and you have like buffet style or potlucks. Plenty of places to hold the food. Okay, we also have like the white cabinets, the built-in cooktop. So it looks like we have Samsung appliances. Take a look. Okay. Very nice. Okay, look at it. It's blue inside. That's pretty cool. Okay, so yeah, this is soft close cabinet. Okay, and then we also have this backsplash. So, pretty nice backsplash. You have the stainless steel undermount sink. Okay, you got this Moen black faucet. It's gonna be your garbage disposal right there. And Samsung, okay, Samsung dishwasher. All right, so we got yours for your refrigerator. Okay, and then you have your microwaves. Your oven. Cool. So plenty of cabinet space, as you can see. So you got more cabinet space right over here. So this is going to be your pantry. All right. Okay. So as you can see, you have like the 6 lights right over there. Okay. Here you have your Honeywell thermostat. Okay, so we got some lights right over there. So this is your TV setup. You have your Smurf tube, so that means you could hide the wires behind the wall and it'll come through right there. Nice large slider. So this is really nice, guys. Pretty spacious backyard here. So, you know, if you're looking for a backyard where you could build a pool, you know, you could definitely do that over here. You have room to build a pool. Okay, so you got the side gate. All right, so let's check out the primary bedroom. All right, so welcome to the primary bedroom, and this is spacious. It's very spacious. Again, right here, this will be for your TV setup. Plenty of outlets. Okay. I even noticed like right over here, I think, yeah, so this would be where your bed is. You have like the USB outlets as well. Now this is the primary bath, walk-in shower. Okay. Yeah, very cool. Okay, so we got your dual sinks. Walk-in closet. Also have your attic access right up there. And then here you got your toilet room. All right. Cool. All right, guys, so let me know what you think of the Adante floor plan. Again, this is move-in ready. This is available right now. So let me know what you guys think. If you're curious to know what the incentives are, again, reach out to me, shoot me a text, give me a call. But until then, I'll catch you guys next video.